Hello to all ladies. Today I'm going to show you how the basic process of how the Pashmina shawl, the steps of making a Pashmina shawl, hand spun Pashmina shawl. You can come forward. This is the Pashmina raw material. You know, it's raw material, and we get all this. You know, it's one of the processes of Pashmina raw material, and all this is, you know, first we take out the wool from the Pashmina goats. Then it's converted into many process, and this comes the Pashmina raw material, actual raw material. Many steps, like this is a hand spun process going in it. Like this is Pashmina fabric. You can come forward and see. This is Pashmina. When we convert this raw material into the hand spinning, you can show it here. You can show it here. Yes, you can show it here. Like after rotating, like, you know, many Kashmiri women, men's, you know, in Kashmir are doing it. You know, it's their livelihood. So it's converted into while after rotating this, then we get converted into the Pashmina fabric. And as you can see, this is you can come forward. This is the Pashmina hand spun fabric. It's like spinning is done. It's the hand spun fabric, and I'll show you the difference between the hand spun and a machine spun fabric. Can you give me the machine spun? See, this is the machine spun. This is hand spun. This is machine spun. As you can see, it's clearly a difference. This is hand spun, and this is the machine spun. Like, you know, I'll show you. Can you bring a camera a little closer? See, it's completely different. You know, there are threads, there are knots in this. Threads, knots, everything. And in this machine spun, so there are no threads, no knots, you know, as it looks, you know, it looks like this. And this is the original hand spun fabric. This is the best of all, the best. And after one more process is done, it's called like this process. You can have a look. You can move a camera a bit closer. Yes, this is the process. And this, like after rotating in Kashmiri, this is called the miller, and this is called the yander. You have a camera. Yes, this is called the yander, and this is called this process is called the miller, and this is called the press in Kashmiri. Yes, and after, like, you know, after we done this, there are around 72 processes in this Pashmina making of a Pashmina shawl. So this is all are making our journey of 11 hours to Ladakh in the coming days. So we are gonna show you exactly